Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. It'll keep you up to date with all of our latest videos. Today's video is featuring this absolutely awesome vehicle. So what it is a Mercedes AMG GT owned by Odyssey exclusive. Make sure you go check them out. They're on YouTube as well as Instagram. So today's video is basically showing you guys behind the scenes of also the system that's in this vehicle now. So the vehicle came into us with already installed a Road Angel Pure, which is on the dash, as well as a front dash cam. However, on this vehicle, it is a bit of a challenging thing to do, and that's why it's coming to us, the specialists in dash cams, to have this product installed. So what we've done is run a cable all the way from the front of the vehicle, all fused, all done extremely safely, all the way around to the back of the vehicle. So now we're using a Road Angel Halo Pro dash cam, which is a front and rear solution. We do loads of other solutions for dash cams, so if you're interested in something like this, make sure you get in contact with us. If you drop us a link on our website, we've got a whole section on our website designated to dash cams. You can go on there, you can book a consultation, we'll sit down with you, we'll guide you through exactly what the best options for you and your vehicle are. Do loads of different options, and make sure you get in contact with us. So basically what's involved with this is basically wiring into fuse box, making sure everything is earth, fuse, all done very safely into the highest possible standards. And then basically it's a cable run all the way back to that rear camera, which has been really nicely and discreetly installed. That's one of the key things. That's why people come into us, travel all over the country to us here in Cambridge to have work done in controlled workshop environment, as well as the fact that it's all done to the highest possible standards. So again, if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit the subscribe button below, and we look forward to upgrading your car soon. Thank you.